If your iPhone is stuck on support.apple.com iPhone passcode, it means the device has been locked after too many wrong passcode attempts. The good news is you can unlock it. In this video, I'll show you 4 working methods, starting with the easiest one. Method 1. Unlock using recovery mode. If the Apple ID method doesn't appear, you can use recovery mode. Put your iPhone in recovery mode, and connect it with computer. Open Finder or iTunes on the computer, click Restore iPhone, and proceed. This method erases all data but removes the passcode completely. Method 2. Forgot passcode? Unlock using Apple ID. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and your device is running iOS 15.2 or later, this is the fastest official way. On the lock screen, keep entering the wrong passcode. When you see iPhone unavailable, tap Forgot Passcode, choose Erase iPhone, enter your Apple ID and password. Wait for the device to erase and restart. After setup, you can create a new passcode and access your iPhone again. Method 3. Unlock via iCloud. If Find My is enabled, go to iCloud official website, sign in with your Apple ID, open Find My, select your iPhone, click Erase iPhone. Once erased, you can set it up again. Method 4. Unlock support.apple.com iphone-passcode using MagFone iPhone Unlocker. If Finder or iCloud doesn't work, or you want a simpler step-by-step solution, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is another option. Just connect your iPhone, choose Remove Screen Lock, and follow the instructions to complete. So those are the best ways to unlock an iPhone stuck on. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone fixes, and comment if you have questions.